since the internet is filled up with tons of coolest tools that never fail to provide up-to-the-mark qualities. We have enlisted the 10 coolest tools that will make your life easier. So let's see. Wrenching is a task where you need to apply much torque to tighten or loosen nuts or bolts. But have you ever imagined if that could be done in a fun way? Get your hands on the Metmo Grip, a satisfying wrench that revolutionizes how you tackle DIY assignments or small home projects. Matching steps with the era of modern adjustable wrenches, this is not only a wrench, it's also a fidget toy and a clamping tool. That's not all. You can use it for hammering or box cutting as well. Based on a patent of an early 20th century variable grip wrench, the Metmo Grip is engineered with precision and redesigned with stainless steel construction and a hard anodized 6061 aluminum adjuster that'll last for years to come. This innovative desk toy never lets you down when it's time to deal with tight spaces, precise clamping, or auto-locking. It's also quite easy to take apart and reassemble if you want to clean, fiddle, and tinker with it. Long story short, you better go with the Metmo Grip if you want a satisfying way to tighten nuts or bolts while having fun. At first glance, it might seem like a toy gun, but in actuality, this is a screwdriver specially made to seek everyone's attention and handle small, light screwing tasks around the house. Yep, this is the Studio Gun Screwdriver, a toy-type tool that brings a smile to your face while screwing some nuts for your project. It has a convenient little torch on the front that simply illuminates low-light areas for DIY jobs. Oh, there's a tiny button on the top that shows how much battery you've left after a single press. When this pink man starts decreasing the speed, simply plug in the charger and you're ready to go again after a while. This broom-type thing you see here is the Elkometer DC Holiday Detector, a perfect solution to test the ferocity of non-conductive coatings up to 7.5 millimeters thick on conductive substrates. First things first, it has two continuous DC detectors, the Elkometer 236 and 266. Depending on which detector you're using, each of them ensures your full control over the voltage and sensitivity settings. Thanks to the built-in voltage calculator, it makes working out your test easier than ever before. Test a known flaw in the coating to get the exact detection. Once you got the flaw, you're ready to run. Maybe you'll replace your old wrench after watching this Crescent 8-inch wrench in action. Yep, this is the most uniquely designed tool to provide maximum access in cramped spaces. The best part of this wrench is it pivots up to 180 degrees and features 9 locking positions to offer absolute control and stability while applying torque. With the rapid ratcheting action, it eliminates the hassles when tightening or loosening fasteners in corners. Let's not forget about the smooth action adjustable jaws and chrome finish on the whole body. This tool will perfectly fit into your regularly used tool list. Unparalleled access with great control. Oh, you have a backyard party tonight? Get this home-right Electro Torch fire and charcoal starter to get rid of time-taking fire-starting process. This tool is perfect for grilling, camping, and RVing accessory. It starts a fire in just minutes without any chemicals to prevent the nasty taste on food. The most interesting part hits here. You don't need any lighter fluid or matches to light your charcoal barbecue, wood-burning fireplace, campfire, or fire pit. Plus, it has a dual ignition switch that lets you get a roaring fire in less than 5 minutes. it's time to invite the guests. Overgrown branches and shears aren't a thing that you wish to see. So meet the Worx WG324E, a compact, handheld, yet powerful pruning saw that fights like a hero with all the stubborn shears. Thanks to the upper safety guard, simple chain tensioning, and toolless chain replacement, this one-handed chainsaw makes actions quicker and safer. The WG324 is great for pruning, trimming, and delimbing. What if you need to cut on heights? No need to worry. You can attach it to an extension pole and get the height easily. Hey, you annoying bushes and shrubs, your days are over. Having an all-purpose cutter in the tool armor is surely a blessing for pro trade persons and DIYers. The trapezium blade of the cutter is sharpened from both sides and has a safety pin and safety catch to ensure great efficiency on the job. Thanks to the ergonomic handle and handy design, this MegaCut S is ideal for cutting through strong materials like tubing, cables, and even leather up to a thickness of 13 millimeters. No wonder it features all the safety aspects that save you from getting injured during the operation. Cut everything you meet. Cut with confidence. Long story short, this little tool over here is the Ox heavy-duty chalk line reel, which offers a high reliable solution for your layout. First, it features a unique helical gear system that ensures smooth operation and is perfectly sealed to protect it from debris. Second, it has a 6-to-1 gear ratio that allows 3 times faster rewind. And it also has an improved clutch design that ensures fast release and returns. Lastly, the rubber overmold texture gives you a secure grip during busy job site days. Up to marking long? Call this Ox chalk reel. Okay, you know the pain of being shocked by electricity? So here is the Crescent EShock Guard isolated bit holders that make a decent distance between you and 1,000 volts of electricity while working on tough electric projects. The isolation zone ensures absolute protection, and the retaining ring magnetic tip insulates all your bits and all the sockets. Plus, the holders are impact rated and adopt the Crescent Vortex mechanism that eliminates cam out and promotes fastener retention. So get yourself protected during demanding sites. Get the Crescent EShock Guard holders. Coiling long, thick fire hoses can be a great hassle if you don't have this clean Getaway hose winder by your side. This is the most demanding tool among firefighters and lawn maintenance workers. You can coil up to 75 millimeters wide and 20-meter long hoses in mere time, spending minimal effort. Just put the hose in the winder and push the winder over the hose, and you're done. Surprisingly enough, this is a battery-powered tool, so you'll get your hoses coiled in a simple and comfortable way. It takes very little time to coil lay-flat fire hoses without bending, cranking, or other exhausting motions. So, that was the list of the 10 coolest tools that will make your life easier. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.